What happened to Lence's field? Answer. Lence's field became white as if it were covered with salt. There was no leaf left on the corn plants. The flowers were also fallen down, except the corn stalks. Nothing could be seen in the field. To by and large, his cornfield got completely destroyed or distracted by the hailstorm. উত্তৰ লেঞ্চৰ পথাৰখন বগা হৈ পৰিছিল যেন ই নিমখেৰে আবৃত হৈ আছিল। মাকৈ গছত কোনো পাত সৰি পৰাৰ বাকী নাছিল। ফুলবোৰো সৰি পৰিছিল। মাকৈৰ ডাটাবোৰৰ বাহিৰে পথাৰত একো দেখা যোৱা নাছিল। মুঠতে শিলাবৃষ্টিৰ ফলত তেওঁৰ মাকৈ পথাৰখন সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে ধ্বংস হৈ গৈছিল।